Good Karma is joining us in his headset, which actually was first here in Holland. Because as Marky told you guys, this headset thing has been, how do you say, crazy run on headsets. And yeah, I had the honor to order one of these headsets. I did a couple, 3 or 4 maybe, for people attending. Yes, Gandalf also, his headset is now in Poland, but get shipped through Holland. So guys, if you want an Oculus, hey, only a little markup here. I'm gonna send them out to you. No, joking. I did a lot of stuff. Yes, Good Karma, can you pick up the controls by clicking it? Or can't you click them? You cannot click them? If you cannot click them, then this is technology. No? Okay. I will put you on air and I will do your clicks if you ask me to click. Ladies and gentlemen, Ecency, Good Karma, all the way from Lithuania, Estonia, I forget all the time. Let me put you on the air. Okay, you're on air now, so the live stream can hear you. I will do your controls of the slides.
Yeah, can anyone hear me? Yeah. All right. Great to be here. It's the 5th Hivefest, and did everyone notice they have a wristband on their left hand? It's so cold. We have in every Hivefest this wristbands. Some people are keeping it for many years. Okay, so I'm going to talk about Ecency. So, Alan, can you? I guess we're waiting. Yes. Too high, maybe. How about now?
Okay. Okay. Hello. Hello. Okay.
Yes.
Better. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to present what we are building at the Ecency. Is there still echo?
No, it's okay.
Okay. Yeah, can you move the slide? Okay. So what's Ecency? So we are just, many of you know, uncensored. And what I mean by uncensored, it's really uncensored and free, limitless, and rewarding platform for all communities. And yeah, brief history, how we started. As you know, we rebranded recently, and previously we were known as East Team and founded in 2016.
Lukt het om op stream te streamen?
And then we first released our app in 2016 August. It was firstly mobile app wrapped in WebView, and it was really clunky, but it was first initial release mobile app anyone built on the blockchain at that time for Steam blockchain. And then we redesigned applications and we released desktop app around 2018. And since then, we recently rebranded and launched websites as well as desktop and mobile application, all working in sync. So what makes Ecency special is that we have a really fast application. When it comes to web application, we rebuild it from scratch. So we try to use best technologies possible. So it could be as fast as, the blink of an eye. So you just click on a page and you get within a couple seconds page loading for you, even if you are mobile phone or on your desktop. And truly uncensored, which I mentioned earlier, is why it is that, because even if you're running website and even if it's hosted on blockchain, doesn't mean you are uncensored. Usually websites hosted on some server, and those server providers usually request you to take down some of the post or some content which might be, some plagiarism, or which might be some legal consequences. So they can be censored in some sense. But what makes Ecency different is that we have website which is subject to this kind of laws, but we have desktop application which you can run basically on your device, and nobody can limit you or censor you because you are hosting or you are accessing the data directly from the blockchain. And yeah, we have a unique and unified user experience. What I mean by that is we have a website combined with a desktop application and mobile application. And as you know, many people nowadays access internet through their mobile phones. And we founded and started by mobile application and now expanded to website and desktop application. So all of them working together in a unique way and giving similar user experience is important. So we're trying to make synergy in all these applications so that everyone feels comfortable and doesn't feel difference between mobile app and desktop app. And easy onboarding since almost now 6 months, almost up to a year, we're going with the easy onboarding. Our solution is to just sign up with email and the username choice, and you can just quickly get in and get your Hive account. And this was initially, it was of course abused, and we implemented some of the options which now we can see working really well, and we're getting mostly real users, and all of them are signing up and using application. And we have in all our apps we have a which I say like multicultural and multi-account and multi-community, which means every Ecency user can use application without feeling different, because it is supporting in different languages, different cultures, and also you can connect your multiple accounts into single application and start using it, be it for your community account or your personal account and or your business. And it is at the same time fun and rewarding. We have our own pointing system. If some of the users already know how Ecency points work, and you get that points, that reward, just by using application. No matter how much stake you have, you still are rewarded, and it is fun to just use application. And yeah, from technical points of view, what makes Ecency special is that our software is open source. So anyone who has a developer experience can just join up and start implementing feature set which they want and improving application. And we have a dedicated full node server also to not put load on different servers. We run our own server. So of course, user has choice to change server in their own, let's say if they run their own dedicated nodes, they can change it to that. And we have image proxy, which is also dedicated. It's a block trade team running also proxy, image hoster proxy. So what we're doing is that we're running our own image proxy in case of there is down in case some issues on a block trade server, ours will be still running, and it gives more better user experience in the sense that we have control over the images. In case it goes down, we fix it. And excuse me, what is the future of Ecency? So what we have in the pipeline is that we're thinking about the tokens, multi-tokens. If you noticed in the latest update on our Ecency website, we changed the wallet page slightly so it can be flexible, so we can extend the features and different tokens like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we have tested few options how to do that, and basically every Hive user has a private key, and that key can be used to generate Bitcoin addresses and Ethereum addresses. But there are some technical complications, so we are exploring that options how to solve that. So basically, you can have with your own private key, you can have a Bitcoin and Ethereum wallets. And another section integrating with different services, which means integrating with different cryptocurrencies can be good if it comes with extra services. You know, Bitcoin community has a quite large number of developers and as well as services. So integrating with that gives more usability and better experience for the user. And since we have our own Ecency points, we are also thinking about launching or giving communities to create their own points. It is kind of, we calling it points, not the community tokens, because it might be still centralized. So we are still exploring that options. And yeah, generally improving the gamifications and launching the messaging, which will be the group messaging for the specific communities, and launching public ones, which is a troll box style messaging. And yeah, generally improving the social aspects of the application. Like we recently, in one of the posts, we mentioned improving the Hive searcher gives us more opportunities to improve social aspects of the content discovery options, because we have in a blockchain multi-year content, and none of the old content gets discovered or read by many people. So giving that content more visibility is also one of the goals. And yeah, how to get the Ecency. So you can directly access the ecency.com website, or you can download desktop application, Android, iOS, and you can check our open source applications on these websites. And yeah, we have a Hivefest special. So today and tomorrow during the Hivefest event, we have 2 days. If you use Ecency application, you get double reward in the Ecency points. So any actions you're doing would give you, for example, posting would give you 15 points, but now it will give you, just for these 2 days, it will give you 30 points and so on. So try it out. And how to support, you just check our proposals. And we are also building Hive Searcher and Hive Signer. So if you have any suggestions there, so just reach out to us and suggest anything that can help user experience. And yeah, next slide. I think that's it for me. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I see one raised hand. Roland, are you?
There's a question.
Okay.
Can you come forward?
Yeah, start. Yes. Yeah, thanks. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah, I talked with Dan few occasions, so it's I was just waiting him to send some technical documentation. So it would be really interesting if we allow people to host their own videos or at least serve them to the public. But there is some technical details that our team needs to check and how we can integrate together. But that's something that we are looking into. Yeah. Yeah, sure. Thanks. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Good Karma. I was
Thank you, Roland.
curious. Yeah. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, can you
Good
give
job.
a round of applause for Good Karma all the way from Lithuania? Woo!
Thank you.
Greatest.
Thank you.